What's going on, guys? Lego Mock Tutorials here again with another Lego build tutorial. This time it's going to be for my microscale Lego yacht. Let's get started. Starting off at the bottom of the ship then and working from back to front. Take a 1x2 white plate and a 1x4 white brick goes on top, so it's in the middle. Then a 1x4 white snot brick. 4 more 1x4 bricks go on top there. Another one of the same snot bricks goes on the end. Another 1x4, 1x4 plate on top. 1x2 brick in the middle. 2 of these 1x1 tiles go either side of the brick. Then you're going to want 2 headlamp bricks. They go on top of the 1x2 brick pointing in opposite directions. Then a 1x1 white plate goes on the sides of each of those headlamp bricks. Then one of these slope pieces goes on top of the 1x1, and finish off the nose of the ship with 1x2 plate, 1x2 jumper plate, and then a cheese slope on the end there. And that's the bottom done. Now we'll do the seating area at the back. Start with a 2x4 white plate. 1x3 goes on one side there. 1x2 goes underneath. Then put a 1x1 on top of the 1x2. Take 2 of these 1x2 light tan tiles, and there you go in the middle of the 2x4. Then a 1x1 white plate goes in the corner there. Another 1x2, and then you want another 1x1 on the underside of the 1x2. Now for the seats, you'll want these panel pieces, one corner piece there, then one of these corner pieces in the opposite corner, another small corner piece in that corner, and then a 1x2 panel piece in the other corner. And then these 3 here are going to sit on top of this snot brick here. Okay, and finally you're going to want a 1x1 light tan tile goes on that last stud there. And that's the seating area done. Now you're going to want a 4x4 white plate and a 2x4 white plate, and on the underside of the 2x4 you're going to put a 1x4 black plate and then a white 1x4 plate. Then on the underside of the 4x4 start with 1x4 black plate, a white plate, and another black plate. In each corner you're going to want a 1x1 white plate, and then you're going to want one of these snot pieces on the underside there, and then we'll turn that over again, and then you're going to want 2 1x1 black plates and 2 1x1 white plates, which are going to sit on top there like that. And then all that lot there transfers over to the bottom of the ship, so that's going to sit there. That should clip onto the snot brick there, and then the 1x1s are just going to rest in the corners there for now. For the doors then, we'll take a 1x2 black brick and 2 1x2 black plates will go on top, and we'll put it on the ship next to those tan tiles there. Now we'll take 2 1x4 white plates which will go along the length of the ship next to the door. In front of those we'll put a 2x4 white plate. 2 more 1x4 white plates go on top of the other ones, but offset by 1 dot there. On top of those we'll put a 1x4 black brick, and then in the corners next to the door 1x1 white brick, and to cap those off, 1 by 1 white plate. I'll just put those bits back on, they keep falling off. Now we'll take a 1 by 2 white plate, put it on top of the 2 by 4, and then another one on the other side. A 1 by 4 white brick goes across the front there. 1 by 4 white plate, 1 by 4 black plate, 1 by 2 white plate goes on top of the black plate. 2 of these black cheese slopes go across the middle of the 1 by 4, and then 2 of these black slopes go along the sides of the yacht there. Now we're going to take 2 1 by 2 white plates, put them on top of each other, and then a 1 by 2 white brick goes on top there, and that's going down the middle of the ship there. Then a 2 by 2 white sloped piece goes on top, and one of these rounded corner pieces goes on one side there and another one on the other side. To build the roof of the ship then, we'll take 6 of these 1 by 4 white slope pieces and one of these 6 by 2 white plates, and they go along the length of the 2 by 6 on the top there, just like that, and then that clips on to the top of the yacht, just like that. And finally onto the front of the ship then, we'll take a white 2 by 2 plate and 2 1 by 2 plates go on top there like that. Then 2 of these white 1 by 1 snot bricks with stud on one side go next to each other on top there, pointing opposite directions, and then a 1 by 2 white brick goes there. Then a 1 by 2 white tile on top of the snot bricks. A 1 by 2 white jumper plate goes next to that. A 1 by 1 white plate goes on top of the jumper plate, and then this sloped piece goes on top there like that. Now we're going to take 2 of these 2 by 4 slope pieces and 2 1 by 2 plates and attach them just like that, and then these are going to clip onto the snot bricks on the sides there, just like that, and then this clips onto these 2 studs on the front of the yacht, just like that, and that is your yacht finished. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, remember to leave a like and a comment. Also consider subscribing for more amazing LEGO content just like this.